Roadmap to become a FinTech engineer. Think about the last time you paid for something. Maybe you used a mobile wallet, scanned a QR code, or made an online transaction. It all felt instant, seamless, secure. But behind that simple tap, there's a complex system working in real time. And the people building those systems are FinTech engineers. A FinTech engineer builds technology for financial services, payments, banking apps, trading platforms, lending systems, everything that moves money digitally. And here's the truth. In finance, there's no room for error. Because one small mistake can cost millions. So, how do you become a FinTech engineer? It starts with programming. You need a strong foundation in languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript. Because financial systems require clean, reliable, and efficient code. Not just code that works, but code that you can trust. Then comes understanding financial systems. This is what makes FinTech different from regular software development. You need to learn how banking works. Payments, transactions, interest, loans, fraud detection. Because you're not just building apps, you're building financial logic. Once you have that base, you move into databases. Because financial data must be stored accurately. Every transaction, every balance, every record must be precise. There is no almost correct in finance. Then comes security. This is one of the most critical parts. You'll learn encryption, authentication, and secure APIs. Because financial systems are prime targets for attacks. And protecting user data is your responsibility. After that, you'll dive into APIs. Most financial systems communicate through APIs. Payment gateways, banking services, third-party integrations. You'll build systems that talk to each other securely and efficiently. As you grow, you'll explore payment systems in depth. How transactions are processed. How settlements happen. How money moves between banks. It's a complex flow. But once you understand it, everything starts making sense. You also work with real-time processing. Because financial applications often require instant updates. Balances must update immediately. Transactions must be processed without delay. There's no waiting. Then comes compliance. This is what makes FinTech unique. You'll learn about regulations like KYC, AML, and data protection laws. Because financial systems must follow strict rules. Not just to function, but to operate legally. As you gain experience, you might work on systems like digital wallets, stock trading apps, or lending platforms. Each comes with its own challenges. But they all have one thing in common: trust. Users trust these systems with their money. And your job is to make sure that trust is never broken. Now let's talk about skills. To succeed in FinTech, you need precision. You need to pay attention to every detail. Because small errors can have big consequences. You also need problem-solving skills. Because financial systems can be complex. And most importantly, you need responsibility. Because you're not just building software. You're handling real money. Over time, you can also explore advanced areas. Blockchain in finance. Algorithmic trading. Digital banking systems. The opportunities are huge. Because FinTech is growing fast. And it's transforming how the world handles money. Start your journey today and become a FinTech engineer building the future of digital finance.